All right, so our daughter Ruby has wanted an electric car forever. She's been talking about it nonstop for the past like 9 months. She really wants a pink electric Jeep. So those are very expensive though. So today I'm gonna go look for a pallet of returned Walmart merchandise, see if I can sell the rest of the items on it, and then pay for a birthday present for her. They just got a bunch of Walmart pallets in here at Grand Rapids Pallet Liquidation, and I wanna see if I can find a pink one. So let's go see. We got the exact one I was looking for, Disney Princess Power Wheels Jeep. So we got a ton of other fun stuff too. So I'm gonna bring it home and show Sarah. What do you think? This is the one. Look, Jeep Wrangler Disney Princess. Exactly what she wanted.
Oh my goodness.
But I did see these on a Facebook post he made. He said he got a bunch of Walmart pallets in, and I saw this, so I had a hunch it might be there, but I didn't know if it'd be sold.
What are these top ones? Do we know?
You got some kind of ramp, there's electric cars, there's
Lots of goodies.
motorcycles.
What is that?
It's a tank.
Oh my goodness.
It shoots stuff. Isn't that crazy? Look how big that is.
I've never seen anything like that. That's hilarious.
I want to look that up.
That's heavy.
3 scooters.
Is this a 4-wheeler?
Yeah.
Sweet.
Yeah.
So now we are going to be putting together all of these Power Wheels so that we can make sure all the pieces are there and that they actually work.
Well, I don't know what I was expecting, but I was not expecting a million pieces. I've never built one of these before. There's a lot of parts here, so this might take us a while. Let's get going.
What happened?
This one only has one wheel, so not exactly a power wheel. That's a huge bummer.
That's a problem.
That is a problem. One wheel is no good. 3 wheels even might be okay. Dang.
What do we do?
Maybe we can use it for parts if there's another one broken.
Okay.
Uh-oh.
That stinks. Ruby's birthday is coming up, and so we bought this for her birthday, this pallet. So we're hoping all the pieces are there and that it actually works and is good. If not, I gotta figure something else out for her birthday. Definitely looks returned. All right.
See tape? 4 wheels.
I see 4 wheels.
All right.
Okay. So this one's looking pretty good so far. It has 4 wheels. It looks like it hasn't been used. Everything's still taped up. So I think this was just a return because someone didn't want it.
Hopefully.
So,
Fingers crossed.
even comes with all the stickers.
Oh, cute. Okay, good.
So this is looking good, but we still have to put it together to make sure it works. So we are moving this party inside because it's freezing out there. So we brought it back into our house to put together in here. We're finding a couple of issues with this, but I think we can look past it. So we're gonna keep going.
My name is Ariel. I can hardly wait for the party to start.
This one's going a little bit faster. All right. That one was super fast. Cool little Mercedes AMG here. For smaller kids, but I'm gonna go ahead and test it out, see if it works. All right, check this out. Got parental control, AKA remote control. Check it out. Ah. Apparently I gotta learn how to drive it, but. All right, next we gotta take this big tank out, build it. Hopefully all the parts are there. Let's get to it. All right, so I was gonna start building this tank, but I confirmed that all the parts were here and it was totally wrapped in plastic when I opened the box. So I think since we're selling this on Marketplace anyways, I'm going to just put it back in the box. We'll sell it with a 72-hour return policy. That way, if they build it and something is not right, they can return it if they want, but I already confirmed that the battery's in, all the parts are here. So as much as I want to build this thing, I think I'm gonna just put it back in the box and sell it as is with that return policy. All right, this up-down roller coaster says no longer wanted. Hopefully it's all there. I'm just gonna take a quick peek. It looks like it's all sealed up. I'm just gonna peek inside and make sure everything's there. All right, that looks good. It doesn't look dirty or anything or grassy, so someone evidently just didn't want it. So we can definitely sell that as is, keep it in the box. That'll be easy. This one is awesome because it's already built, so I just have to plug it in and charge it and make sure it works. But this thing is actually a lot heavier than it looks. It probably weighs 50 pounds at least, so it's probably a pretty fun little toy. Incorrect item received. That's why it was returned, so that should be working. That one, I don't know. All right, so these two are the same item. We got 2 electric scooters. This one is brand new, so I'm going to leave that in the box, tape it up. This one I'm going to build and take a picture of just for an example to show on Facebook Marketplace. This one says item damaged, so it may not be working. This one actually is working. I don't know why it was returned. It doesn't look damaged either. So we have 3 of these. I gotta try this other scooter over here, which also has a pretty damaged box. All right, so this one's a little bit smaller. It only took me about 5 minutes to set up, but looks like it works. So, whoa, hopefully I didn't scratch it just now. But, so this one works. This one's only a 12 volt, that's a 24 volt, so hopefully that one charges and works. But these things are sweet. How do you open it?
Electric car? Is it?
What does it look like?
Electric car!
Yeah!
What?
All right.
Thanks, Mommy.
Here, let me help you with it, Ruby.
I wanted it, Mommy. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
So it's been a couple weeks since Ruby's birthday, and as you guys can see, we had a ton of fun giving her her present. We have sold through most of our inventory. We still have a few more things to sell, but it's going really well, and we were able to get our daughter a really cool gift for free.
I think it's important to point out with this particular pallet, we probably won't make much profit. We're probably going to be about break even, but we're able to get a $300 plus gift for our daughter for her birthday. Plus, it was a really fun pallet to go through. So one thing that really cut into our profits was that one broken Power Wheel. That probably took away a couple $100s of our profit with that broken item. So having those bigger, more expensive items actually is a risk when buying a pallet. It'd be better to have a lot more items to kind of spread your risk out. So be a little bit wary of those pallets that are just a few really expensive items, because if they're broken, then you're kind of in trouble. Fortunately, we're still able to break even and then get that free pink Power Wheel for Ruby. So
pretty awesome.
It was fun. And if you're considering getting into flipping pallets, you're definitely going to want to invest in some good tie downs for your load on the way home. We've only had this happen once, fortunately, but where the pallet will actually tip over if you don't strap it down good. So I'm going to link below some of our favorite tie downs so you can check those out. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.